Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about how to generate videos using AI. All you have to do is to provide this AI with text and then watch it do amazing job with just the text. It will turn your text to an engaging video, just like the video you are watching on the screen now. I bet none of you knew that I generated this video with an AI. Now, if you love this video that is playing on the screen and you would like to do something even more amazing than that, then follow me on this tutorial as I show you how to generate videos within 5 minutes. The sweet part of all of this is that it doesn't take any time. It will not ask you for you to pay, to subscribe, or ask you to, link your credit card or anything. It's just free of charge and it doesn't take any of your time. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to generate the text that you will use to create the video. That's the prompt that will help you create the video. And the first thing you have to do is you're going to use ChatGPT. So we're going to head over to ChatGPT and we're going to input our own prompt depending on the kind of video we would love to do. I only asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt for me to use and create this video. ChatGPT have responded to my chat and it gave me this response which you have seen here. So all I have to do now is to head over to the websites we are going to be using for this. Now you go onto your browser and I want you to type in video. So you're going to type in video on your this thing and it's going to load. Then you're going to click their website link. I'll still leave the website link down the description box so that you can click it there. So you just click on the in video AI video generator. You just click on it and it's going to load. Then it's going to get you to the next page where you have to sign up, especially if this is your first time. It will take us to this very slide and all we have to do is to provide this AI with the prompt that ChatGPT has given to us. You can see how I headed over to ChatGPT and then I copied the text exactly how ChatGPT has given to me, and then I went over to InVideo and then I pasted that very text there and I clicked on generate a video. Guys, this thing doesn't even take time. Just watch out, you'll see it will be created within just in a twinkle of an eye. It will be created. All right, so the first thing that it will do here is to analyze the video just like as it's doing now. Once it's done with analyzing of the video, it's going to find a music background for you. It's thinking and then it's preparing. You can see it gave our video a title, megapixels that don't matter, smartphone camera secrets. Now these options have been chosen for you to select. I want this thing to be a YouTube short, that's why I selected the 2 minutes and all of that. Now when you have chosen your own options, you now click next and then this is where it comes to analyze the video and all of that. So now it's analyzing it, and then once it's done you get your video. All right, now we have our video. Now you can see that this video is amazing. It doesn't look robotic, like how other videos that are created with AI does. It gives this natural look and all of that. So that is it. And then at this point we are going to just preview our video and be sure that it is giving, and when you are satisfied with what is happening there, you can go ahead to download your video, and I'm going to show you how to do that shortly. So now on the screen, just when you are done previewing it and you're satisfied, then you click it on the screen, you're going to see where they wrote download. I've also highlighted it, so you click on that button download and it's now download your videos. But it will ask you to it will ask you to try to upgrade, but then you don't want to upgrade, so you're going to select store watermarks instead of the no watermark because that will require you to pay. So you choose store watermarks, then you choose normal because if you're going for the subtitle and all of that, you are going to get you have to upgrade. And then when you are done, you click on continue and It will take you to the next page where it will be rendering your video, and once it's done rendering, it will automatically start downloading, and then guys, you have your video ready for use. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button, follow us, please guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, so that you can encourage us to keep on providing you with this rich content, and follow us